Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp ban problem. Let's get started. If you see message saying your phone number is banned from using WhatsApp, it means WhatsApp has detected activity that violates terms of services. First, open your WhatsApp and tap on support or contact us at the bottom of the ban screen. Write clear message explaining your issues. Keep it polite and honest. This will send an email to WhatsApp support. Alternatively, you can email them directly at support@whatsapp.com, including your phone in international format, and wait. It usually takes 24 to 48 hours for WhatsApp to review your request. That's all for today's video guys. Hope you guys like. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.